I've been thinking about you, and so I pray. I've been thinking about you, I hope you stay. I've been thinking about you, don't run away. I've been praying to God, He let you stay. I've been thinking about you, and so I pray. I've been thinking about you, I hope you stay. I've been thinking about you, don't run away. I've been praying to God, He let you stay. Talking shit don't really mean shit. And when he say he love you, that don't mean he means it. I'm fighting my temptation, I know I don't need it. While I'm running to the tower, I know I've been fiending. And I know she been seeing me around. She's the she that sends me things with dreams. That maybe she'll be everything I'll ever need. Shooting shots to get the ring, I know it's wrong, and so I flee initially. But then my flesh, it beckons me to reconsider my options. What's your choice? Door number 2. Show me the things I hide behind the door number you. There's locks all up and down the door, it's like Miss Pope lives there. A history of being guarded like the Pope lives there. So I guess I'm Martin Luther, no King, no Junior. Standing with my 95 thesis. All the reasons I think we should be a thing. All the reasons I think I'll give you a ring. All the reasons we should try. All the reasons I'm your guy, so why not?
I'm not trying to rush, but it's not up to us. I pray to God you stay. I pray we find a way. And I know you need time. Oh, I need time too. But I won't let it go unsaid. I've been thinking about
Cold hearted baby shaped like Coca-Cola. Made residence up in NOLA. I hit up a Motorola on the way. Catching me with the gleam of a shoulder that's on display. The aroma, essential oils, cocoa that's on the face. I got poison ivies creeping up my vine. That's been heating up my line time to time to remind of her presence. Intellect is a weapon, Smith & Wesson AK with no 47. Throwing A after K, these are my confessions. I was thinking about you, and so I prayed. I was thinking about you, I needed strength. I was thinking about you, and so I stayed. True, true. I know that I'm in love with you, that much is true, but still it's complicated and I hate it, gotta wait for it to come. My flowers have been looking for the sun for way too long. Peace and leisure, and there's nothing more serener than your arms. And you, God, gave me everything I asked for, but if everything that's meant for me got treasures and everything else with you, what do I do? When desire fused with destiny, the calling of my life puts at risk my reason to live it. Should I give it? Am I gonna be given forgiveness for giving up? Getting up on my hopes for the future. I wonder, is it us? Give me trust. All I ever wanted was God to give me luck. But what's the point if I end up giving my misses up?
I'm not trying to rush. It's not up to us. Pray to God you stay. I pray we find a way. And I know you need time. I need time too, but I won't let it go unsaid. I've been thinking about
you, so I've been thinking about you, I hope you. I've been thinking about you, don't run away. Say I've been praying to God, He let you. Say I've been thinking about you, and so I pray. I've been thinking about you, I hope you stay. I've been thinking about you, don't run away. And I've been praying to God, He let you stay. Stay.
I've been thinking about you.
I've been praying to God, He let you stay.
I've been thinking about you.
That's why I pray.